Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a survey inside GoHighLevel and how to add custom fields so you can collect better and more personalized data from your leads. So this is the GoHighLevel dashboard. First go to Sites and then click on Surveys and Builder. From here click on Add Survey, choose Start from Scratch and hit Create. A demo survey will be generated. The first thing I'll do is rename it to My First Survey. After that I'll add some basic fields that most surveys need, like first name, last name, email, and phone. Now comes the important part, adding a custom field. I'll add a new slide and click on Add Object Field, then click Add. Depending on your requirement, you can choose any field type. For this example, I'm creating a gender field, so I'll select Radio Select, type the question, what is your gender, and then add options like male and female. Once done, I'll click Save. After saving, I can simply search for this field and drag and drop it into my survey. And just like that, you've successfully added a custom field and built your survey. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to follow, like, and share it with someone who might need this.